Hello everyone, and welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll walk through how to add or update bank details on an invoice in the Fresa application. To begin, log into the Fresa application. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, navigate to the Accounts module. Then, select Account Settings, and click on the JV Book Master menu. In the JV Book list, choose the required invoice book and click on the Edit icon. Here, you can either update the existing bank details or add new bank details. Please note, the bank details must be entered in the correct format. They should start with B, bank details, /B, and BR, pre, and end with /pre. Only when this format is used will the bank details reflect correctly in the invoice reports. Next, fill in the footer and footer text fields as required, and then click Save. Now, navigate to the respective invoice page. Click on the voucher number. Then go to the Report button and select the desired report. You will now see that the bank details have been successfully added to the invoice report format. And that's how you can add or update bank details on an invoice in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.